better not drop frames. Okay. This is science and technology. Yes, sir. Python. Quick project. Yeah, this should be a quick project, so I need to focus a little bit. Just get this done. Be okay. I can focus. I can do. Alright, now I just gotta make sure everything's okay in terms of my audio. I just have a mic on. And honestly, I should put some background music on. I should probably do that. But just give me 1 second. I'll make sure my mic's okay, and then I'll do the background. Here. Yeah. So I'm gonna look at my stream on YouTube, and I'm gonna send the link in the Discord so people know I'm streaming outside of YouTube. If you don't have notifications on or whatever. And then we go. Try to get some stuff done. I'm gonna try to make this quick. Like, it should be a quick thing, so it shouldn't take too long. But I'm having this really cool conversation with someone on my Discord, so I'm probably gonna be a little diverted. But I could do 2 things at once. I mean, that's a superhuman thing, right? I should be able to do 2 things at once, right? Okay. Programming stream 27. That's not 27. I'm gonna change that. I don't even know what it is. So I'm just gonna do question marks. Make it a little mysterious. Like, what number is it? I don't know, man. It's something. My frame rate average is not that bad. It could be better. It could be better, but it's not that bad. You know, it's going down. It's only 16%, so it's fine. It's okay. I mean, it can't be perfect. I need to get my Ethernet cable installed, though. Once I get that Ethernet cable in, bro, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be tight. All right, I'm gonna go send the link. All right, so I'm gonna make some subs. Okay, so I need to make a time zone converter. This should be freaking easy. So actually, I need to open the thing because we need to plan this. So before you do any programming, you gotta write the algorithm out. So you gotta know what you're programming. Otherwise, it's gonna take forever. So you gotta do these. You okay? What's wrong? Careful. Sorry, my dog's like just coughing for a bit. I'm like, dude, please don't choke, bro. Okay. So first, battery low. I should charge my battery. Oh wait, I didn't even check my stream audio. I'm fucking silly, dude. It's like my earbuds say battery low. I'm like, oh yeah, I should check. Oh my god. Oh, these. I am. Alright, test, test. Make sure this is loud enough. Fucking speak. Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, oh my gosh, it wasn't even playing. Oh, perfect. It sounds good. Sounds pretty good. Now I just gotta wait for someone to join and be like, hey man, your audio too quiet. But, nah, it sounds good on my end, so it's fine. I'm gonna charge my earbuds. So I got like an hour, because then after an hour I gotta get my daughter ready for dinner and all that. So let's see how much I can get done in an hour, okay? Okay, I'll charge my earbuds for a little bit and then I'll play music because I don't want my daughter being all like, hey, quiet. Because she's trying to watch a show, so I'm trying to be something respectful, you know? Wait. Oh, wait, no, that's the wrong one. I'm trying to change the width, not the height. So I need to make this a little bit smaller so I can put a fucking notepad process in so we can see, like, so we can write the algorithm for this time zone converter first so we know, hey, how is this program going to work? So the first thing you should do with programming is write out the algorithm. You should understand. You should. No, you had your popsicle. Do you want milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, before, just give me 1 sec. I'll pull up the notepad. Let me get my daughter some milk. Be right back. Get the notepad. One shook. And notepad. Word? I'm doing notepad, bro. Doing the OG. What the heck? I don't know. Why does Discord do that? Discord OBS. Like sometimes when you add like a new thing, it's like super small, like a line. Like it becomes one dimensional. I'm like, why are you one dimensions? I need you in 2 dimensions, bro. I don't need a line. Like a line ain't gonna do nothing for me, bro. Whoa. Okay. There you go. That's better. Hold on, baby. I'm gonna get you milk. Give me 1 second, okay? Oh wait, this is kind of bad because it's kind of small. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna do word better because you can make it bigger. Hey, what's the matter? You okay? Here, can you give Daddy 1 sec? I'll get you milk. Just 1 second, okay? Alright, perfect. Yeah, you know what? We'll just do the whole thing. I mean, we don't need to have like half and half. We'll do half and half when we're like comparing notes. But right now, we don't have nothing programming, so I need to show you programming right now. So get this out of here. Get this out of here. There we go. Okay, now I need to make this a little bit bigger. Let's do 45. That should be okay, right? Yeah, cool. We can see. All right. For time zone converter. BRB. Daughter. 1 second. Okay, hold on, girl. Can you please have patience? I'm giving you milk. Oh wait, actually, she's kind of overtired too. Oh wait, she's overtired. Okay, I need to make this faster then. Alright, girl. It's in the microwave, okay? I shall check chat real quick before I get milk. I must check the chat. There's no one. That's okay. That's okay. I do need to get a better schedule so people are like, hey, we know what you're streaming. Okay. Alright, I need to have both windows open. Actually, I need to have like 2 windows open. Actually, I need to have a lot of windows open. Ah. There we go. I need to organize this. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. It's beautiful organization. Cool. Okay, let's write an algorithm. Okay, so let me readjust these. Whatever. Here's a black bar. I wonder who that'll bother. There's a black bar. Okay, who cares? Anyway, so let's write the algorithm. So I'm back. This ain't no algorithm. BRB gonna get daughter from milk. Get what? Okay. That was weird. Hey, Jumai, welcome. You want more milk, mother? How about a couple seconds, okay? Alright. She's like, I got her milk. She's like, I want more now. Man, yeah, she sucks down milk quickly. She likes that, but I'll do it in 5 minutes. Just want to get this algorithm started, bro. Alright, so we're making a time zone converter. So people can be like, hey, what's 6 p.m. Central Time in relation to me? Well, here you go. This might be more complex than I initially think. So it might be a 2-parter. Yeah, this will definitely be a 2-parter because my daughter's a little retired, but whatever. I just need to do some programming, man. Like, I haven't been doing programming, like, in the last week, and this is bad, because I'm trying to make this shit, like, my career. Like, I'm trying to make money off this, you know? Like, try to get hired at a company, so I need to learn. But yeah, thank you for that idea, Jumai, for that subliminal. That's a really smart idea. And it's kind of like one of those ideas where it's like, huh, why didn't I think of that sooner? Because, yeah, it makes 100% sense. Like, I'm learning programming, so shouldn't I just make a subliminal programming? Like, should it be at like the top of my list? It's funny, that never crossed my mind to make a subliminal to help me program, which is funny. But, you know, thank you again, though. Thank you. It was a very smart idea. I love that idea, man. Like, shit. Yeah, those are good. That was a good idea. Anyway. So, I'm gonna start this, and then I gotta go. Actually, you know what? It takes like a couple seconds to get my daughter milk. I'll be right back. 1 sec. Sorry. But just, you know. Okay, where's your milk bottle? You want more milk? Okay, I'll be right back. Superhuman speed. Alright. Got 50 seconds. Alright, let's do this. So 1, what do we need to do? Alright. No time zones. Yeah, that's a good one. We should know all of them. It's like, what, 24 time zones? Alright, 24 time zones. So first, let's just get our variables. Like, let's list these will be our variables in the freaking program. I heard the mic. Alright, I'll be right back. My red one. Did it go off? Oh my gosh, freaking. Whatever. Okay, variables. No time zones. There's 24. I think. I have to double check that shit, but it's 24. It starts in the middle. Like, you know. Starts in middle of Earth. We should get a map, bro. Oh yeah, we should get a map. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay, Dad's gotta work now, okay? Okay. So Earth, yeah, that's where we live. Starts in the middle of Earth. Alright, let's do a map. Yeah, always, my main. Alright, I'm gonna pull up a map. We can do some Dora Explorer type stuff, guys, alright? Gotta find the map. There, new tab. Jeez. Okay. I'm gonna copy and paste it in the Word document, so map of Earth time zones. Because, you know, I'm an all-around learner, but I started off as a visual learner, so I'm better with visuals. I don't know. Kind of complex, but whatever. Who cares? I mean, I can make a simple one in MS Paint if I really wanted to. Okay. It's not that bad. So, yeah, it starts in the middle. Yeah, there. It's time zone 0 right here. It's like the middle of Earth, bro. And it goes out. So there's 12 there, 12. Ah, there we go. I knew it. 24 time zones. Haha. Okay, so it starts here. This is 0. And then +1. So the east there, it's 1. So right here, I'm like, what? Right around this area? Yeah. I'm -6 hours from 0. So what does that mean? So like right now it is 7:21 p.m. for me. I need to get some like relations. Oh wait. So -6. I can do math, right? So, so for me from there it's -6. So I need to add 6. Yeah, add 6 because the eastern you go, uh, the more in the future you are. I guess if you want to think of that way. You're not in the future, but whatever. You know what I mean. Okay, so right, it's 7:22. So here, let's do it. I'm gonna list them out one by one. So So 0 time zone. That's like the universal 0. That's the middle. Is wait, okay, it's military time 19, 24. Wait, 24 is not 24. Wait, 24 is 12, 1. No, fuck. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah, it's 1. Cool. 0, 1, 22 a.m., right? We'll double check my work later. This is a learning experience for all of us, right? So let's do +1, I guess. Wait, should I just do it like this? Now, who cares? I know how to format this. Fine, you do it -1, because, you know, as you go deeper, it gets lower. But as you go higher, it gets more positive. So we'll do it like that. So -1 from central, so that's 5. So, oh, yeah, -1. So we already have the base, so it's easy now. So 12:22 a.m. Okay. That will be a 0 there, sir. You're silly. My daughter's talking to herself. I love it. It's definitely my daughter. I talk to myself too much. Actually, not too much. It helps me think. Okay. This is what? 11. 12, 1, yeah. PM. Oh, yeah, so we need days in here. So this will be like, what, tomorrow? So this 16th. 7/16. Boom. So yeah, 7/16. So -1 is here. Africa homies. Oh yeah, Portugal. We got some Portugal homies. So Africa, it's in the future right now, bro. It's already tomorrow for Africa. Imagine if that's how it works. Actually, did you know that there were talks of making like one time zone? Like a universal time zone? So like 7:24 p.m. is like dark for me, but for other people, 7:24 p.m. could be light, but it's all the same time. It'd be kind of funny. Okay. No, it's still today. I'm gonna double check, make sure I'm doing this right. So, yeah, I'm doing this right. Cool. Whatever. Okay, we have the basic idea, right? The basic idea. So what are these names, though? These are like numbers, but like, I'm Central Time. So like, there's also Mountain Time and shit like that. Like, what are all the names? Because like, I only know of like 5 different names, but like, there's 24 time zones. So what are the other names? Let's figure it out. I'm gonna pull up Google on here. Give me 1 sec. I'll pull up my Google window so we can go on an adventure together. Chromium? No. I don't see my thing. 1 sec. I think I... No. Sir, why don't I see you on my OBS? Hey, can you use your indoor voice? You're getting kind of loud there, silly. 1 sec. Rosie. Hey, can you be a little quiet, okay? Okay, thank you. She's funny. Map of the world, there you go. That's the map I was using. Go on top. There you go. You're doing good. Okay. That's fine, right? That should be okay. Okay, so what are the names? Names of all. Yeah, so actually, I guess part 1 will be just figuring out the algorithm, and then we'll do programming, like Python programming next part. So, but this is the most important part. Like, programming is the easy. Hey, indoor voice, please. Sorry, I get a little irritable. I need to relax. Oh, there we go. Holy crap. Next visit. Okay. That was kind of funny. Central European Daylight Time. So that's fucking me. Central European time? No, not Central European. You're North American. USSR? What? USSR.
I love you, yes.
Baby, can you please be quiet? Just tone down the voice a little bit. Rose. Rosie. Hey. Rosie, can you please be a little bit more quiet? Okay? It's okay you're singing, but you're being a little loud. Oh, it is. How can I update time zones for members? So, 0 is the central. Oh, so that's it? I don't want a list, I want like a map. UFC. Oh my gosh. Jeez.
So which you gonna?
Oh my. Sorry. Sorry, just had to talk to my daughter. Okay. It's getting kind of annoying. I want to do metaphysics stuff, bro. See, this is the hot. Alright, this is like one of the parts where it's like, oh, learning programming is kind of a force at times because it's like the build up to it is like, oh my gosh, just trying to get everything in order is kind of fucking annoying. But I mean, the actual programming part is pretty fun. You just have to do it sometimes, man. Like, even if you don't want to do it, just do it, you know? Like, that's what Shia LaBeouf was like. Shia LaBeouf, like, do it. I'm looking at my chat, because I see my man Juma be like, hey, yeah, always, programming is easy to understand, but I never didn't have enough will to learn it. Yeah, literally, bro. I'm trying to get the will right freaking now. And logic behind it. I mean, I like the logical flow. Like, actually, that's what we're working on right now. So, the algorithm that we're trying to make is the logical flow the program will have. So, basically, what we're doing right now is we're trying to figure out like how do we want this to be structured. Like the algorithm basically is just the English version of what you're going to write in like Python or you know whatever programming language you have. So that's why this is most important because this is like the roadmap that you make for yourself. You're like, oh, I know how to I know what to do here because you have it in the English form. So once the English is done, all you gotta do is translate it to Python and boom, easy. So that's why I say the algorithm part's it's the hardest part, and the program part's easy because the algorithm is like you're trying to figure everything out, and the program part is you're just translating it from English to whatever language. So, boom. I think I'll finally do it now. Yeah, man. For me, SQL is easy. I've never done SQL. I learned how to add. I've heard of Batch, but Batch also seems like a simple language. But I've never done Batch as well. It seems fun though. I learned how to add, delete, update things, and how to call whatever I want if it's not on really high level in just 2 to 3 days. I gotcha. That's pretty cool. Yeah, man. Don't be ashamed of. We all have our start, man. Like shoot, it don't matter where you start. We all have our start, so don't be ashamed of where you start. Just keep on the path, and eventually you'll be like, oh, higher level languages, easy, bro. Because, yeah, the real hard part, at least for me, like, everyone's... Stop.
Quiet.
Do you want me to turn your show off?
No.
Okay, please be respectful.
Be quiet.
I'm talking to my friends right now. Okay, I'll be a little bit quieter, okay? Do you want me to try to be quieter? Okay, I'm sorry. I just get a little excited, baby, and my voice just naturally gets higher, so I'll try to control it so I don't interrupt your program, okay? But we'll be eating in like 30 minutes, okay? Okay. But yeah, man. Well, SQL is not a programming language directly, but it's really useful when you combine it. Oh yeah, so is it just kind of like getting like the logic flow of it? Is it like one of those like drag and drop things where you like I don't know, combine like clips of stuff or whatever, and it's like it basically gets you the idea of like functions and stuff like that. But it's not like programming in the sense that you have like oh, int equals this. It's more so like drag and drop type thing. I don't know. I'll just do research. There's a lot of stuff I gotta look at. But I've mostly been focusing on Python myself. I started with Java. Java was actually no. I started with processing. Processing was like back in 2010. That was the OG. It was very basic. Um, we can pull it up sometime. But yeah, then after that, I did then I did Java in freshman year. That was 5 years later in 2015. Only hard thing in programming is to never give up. Yeah, literally. There's gonna be so many times where you just bang your head on a wall because you have like this one bug that just like, was won't like get solved. So it's like, bro, rage quit. No, I've done that too, and actually, I've been making a lot of not as much progress on my program. Here, actually, I'll pull it up real quick. I'll show it off. Um, where's the? Yeah, I need to figure out my thing. Oh, there it is. There. So, this is the program I'm working on, like my big program for like, you know, exercise and all that. Like, it's supposed to like give people like recommendations for like nutrition and stuff like that. So it's like, oh, you want to gain weight? Well, you need to eat this many calories and this much protein and this much, yada yada yada. Basically to help make it easier to like figure out nutritional needs for like gaining muscle or losing weight and stuff like that. But I haven't been making much progress because I'm just at the point now where it's like I got the meat of it, but now it's just like debugging, like finding some stupid little bugs and fixing them. So I haven't worked on this program in like almost 2 weeks. This is bad, but it'll get done. Like, just slow and steady wins the race, man. Like, you don't need to do a billion lines in one day. Just do like 2 lines and solve like one error, and it's like boom, that's enough. Like, do something. That's what I tell myself is if I'm not feeling up to it, at least do something, man. Like something, like change one line of code or something. At least you're not doing nothing. It's like with my supplementals. It's like 2 to 3 times is the recommended frequency, but hey, I'm trying to be quiet. But can you be respectful about it? I'm your dad, okay? Make sure you say, you gotta ask a question. Don't say a statement like, be quiet. It's very disrespectful, okay? Thank you, that's better. Thank you for saying please. Yeah, I'll try. Sorry. It's kind of hard. I'm working on it. I lost my train of thought, but whatever. It'll come back to me. Yeah, anywho. Just like, yeah. It's like, the fun part of programming is like when you're just doing, oh yeah, getting a bunch of lines of code, it's working. But then we have a big, beefy project, and then you just have to go through like such little stupid bugs one by one. That's when it gets tedious. But hey, man, that's what you're signing up for. But I like to view it as superhuman training. Like superhuman, like I don't know, like resistance or like tolerance to doing something annoying. Like as a superhuman, you should be able to like focus on something for end. At least in my opinion, like that's my view of superhuman. We could all have our different like idea of what superhuman is, but for my opinion, I should be able to focus on stuff even when I don't want to. Like go above that. Oh, I don't want to, but I know I have to, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. Try to master that. Yeah, so I'm just getting all the time zones. So yeah, I need to know time zones. What else do I need to know? So this, whatever. We'll come back to that later. We'll do specifics later. Let's just get the big boy out of the way, like the big stuff. Man, I want to see if I can make this smaller, but you can still like see it. I'll do it like, ooh, what the heck? I don't want to square that. That's not no exponent. Wait, that's not a square. That's something else. That's like something else in math. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Half. That's perfect. At least I can get more space. Stupid pictures in my way. Whatever, I know words for it. Okay, so no time zones. So how will it work? So then the algorithm's like, okay, so we pull the program up. So what's the first prompt? Well, I need to know what time zone they're in. So, okay, prompt. So that's my other variable. Prompt user or time zone, which is time zones. But I need to compare it to something. So prompt. So we got the time zone. So for me, okay, let's do it. So I give it like 7:36. Okay. Boom. Okay, prompt 3. And prompt the user. Prompt user. time zone do they want to convert to? So let's see. I want to convert to Turkey time. Yeah, I don't know what time zone that is. That's 8 hours ahead, I think. Turkey. I don't know what specific time zone they're in, like the name. I don't know. Actually, I should know. We should figure it out. Like right there. Oh, they're like it's like in two time zones, right? Because Turkey's like that country connects Europe and Middle East, I think. Oh, actually, yeah. When you talk about IQ tests, bro, freaking the geography ones, I suck at, bro. Like that shit brings my IQ score down. Cause like name the capital of fucking this random ass country you barely heard of. It's like, oh, thanks. I don't know, random ass guess at that point. Literally half, majority, 90% of geography questions I get on IQ tests, I just guess. But no, some of them I do know. Like I'm not that stupid, but some like really offhand. Like I don't know. I don't know the capital of Australia. Yeah, I don't really know that one. I don't know that shit. So it's like, yeah, name the capital of Australia. I couldn't do that. So yeah, geography is one of those things that brings my IQ down. So I need to like work on my geography. But come on, man. Freaking, I have Google Maps and stuff like that. Just whip out a map and look it up. Like, why do I need to know this off the top of my head? It's like freaking Albert Einstein when someone asked him, "What's the speed of light?" And Albert Einstein's like, "Why should I know that when I can just look it up in a freaking book? Like, why waste my brain power on knowing that useless information, man?" Boom. That's my thing on it. Like, I don't need to be smart to know random ass fucking capitals of countries and stuff like that. Shit, I could look that up in a book. Better yet, I can look that up on a GPS on my phone. 2024 lit. Okay. It's 3:37 in Turkey. That's AM, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yep. 7 hours ahead of me. Cool. So Turkey time. Oh yeah. So well, that's from 0. So I'm like -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah. +2. So yeah, whoop, right there. So it's the B time zone from Universal. So yeah, what relation am I doing with this? Honestly, I should just Universal relate it. Whatever. So Turkey time. But it has to work for everything. Like that's one thing in programming too is it should follow all the test cases. So like it shouldn't just work for converting from my central time to Turkey time. Like if it only works for that, then the program's broken. So like you got to keep that in mind. I mean, at least that's something I have an issue with, where it's like, oh yeah, it works, but then I use another test case and it completely breaks, and like, oh great, spending another freaking hour or two trying to figure this out. So yeah, just make sure it works all around. But you know, you probably already knew that, or whatever. I like talking, which is very funny because I never used to be like that. I used to be very introverted back in high school. Now I'm like, damn, bro, I just want to talk people's ears off. I'm gonna look at my chat. Yes, AM. Yep, AM. Yep, 8 hours. Good job. Knowledge check. Thank you, my man. I appreciate the little quiz. I mean, it wasn't a quiz. It was just, here, this is a reminder. Yeah. Thank you for the reminder. Okay. So, what? It's 3:40 a.m. It's the next day, bro. 16. Which is +2 from Universal. Right? Yep. Prompt user for the time zones. Okay, so basically, yeah. So in this one, the user could say, oh yeah, well, you have to give it like certain things, because I don't know how to be organic about it with my programming. Well, I know how to do case sensitive stuff. Like I can make it so like people can put in whatever case they are and it still knows what it's talking about. That's pretty easy, but I need to have some specific code words. So B, what is that? What is that? You know what? Let's just look it up. Bing. That's my phone. Nepal. Is it just a specific Turkey? No. Oh wait, no. This is UTC +0. That's the universal. So wait, +2. Germany and 47 more. Wait a minute. Hold up. Where's Germany on this map? I know where Germany is. +1. Oh, we... No, that's why I'm +1, sir. United Kingdom? Wait. -0 is... Wait. So what's wrong? Is this list wrong or the fucking picture that I have? Oh, no, the picture's not wrong, so the list is. -0. So 0, it says on here, is Iceland and more. Oh, okay, that's right. Yeah, Iceland's right here. Wait, no, that's not Iceland. That's the United Kingdom. Iceland's at -0 according to this. Actually, no. It's... Wait. Yeah, no, Iceland ain't fucking -0. Wait, can you even see the image that I'm referring to? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, see, it's like, it says on here, according to this list, UTC +0 is Iceland. But Iceland ain't no 0. That's freaking United Kingdom. See, this thing's like a little bit off. Or maybe I'm just interpreting this wrong. I don't know. Who cares? Whatever. I'm just gonna look up the specific time zone of Turkey. Turkey time zone. What? No way. It literally is Turkey time? What? No way. I was just doing that because I was trying to be funny. It's literally Turkey time? That is hilarious. That is hilarious. The universe just like put that into my subconscious before I even realized that shit. That's pretty dope. I mean, though, it makes logical sense, though. Like, it's a country, it's Turkey. We'll call it Turkey time. Fuck it. UTC +3. Yeah, wait, what? Yeah, well, it's in multiple time zones, right? Just like, oh, by UTC and then plus whatever the name. That's like the basic thing, UTC. It's also called Turkey time. The time at most is the same as in Moscow time and Arabian Standard Time zones. TRT was adopted by the Turkish government. Oh wow, 2016? What? It's a new time zone name that they adopted. That's pretty interesting. Huh? Learn something new every day, right? I'm gonna look up your idea. Why don't you use time for 0? Time zone. Yeah, no, that'll probably work. Shit. Multiple ways to do it. Yeah, I'm just doing converting time zones. So it's like when I say, oh, I'm streaming at 6, and people are like, well, I don't know what fucking central time is. So they can just go in the program and be like, okay, prompt user for time zone. So I guess, so we started with, oh yeah, so we could do it 2 ways. So it's like, I have a central time, I don't know, convert it to my time zone. Okay. So it's like, hey buddy, alright, I'm putting it in my fan. So let's say you, Jumai, if you live in a different time zone. So it's like, when I say I'm streaming at 6, but you're like, I don't know what the fuck that is in my time zone. You take the 6 p.m., copy and paste in my program. So it's like, okay, I want to convert. Oh yeah, so prompt user for conversion. Conversion. So time zone. 2 time zones. So I guess yeah, you need 2 time zones for time zone. They want to convert. So I want to convert central time to my time, which is central time, but we're pretending I live somewhere else. Prompt user for the time zone they want to convert to. Oh, okay. I'm losing my train of thought. I mean, I've been working for a while, so I'm a little tired, but it's okay. I gotta be superhuman, right? So, 20 Turkey time. So it's like, okay, user inputs, so they're like, boom, central time. Okay, I know what I'm doing. And then, oh yeah, we got the 2. Now what the hell did the program do? Like, okay, cool. It has, so the program's got 2 variables right now. So we got 2 variables, which is, yeah, let's name them. You know, let's do a little pseudo programming. So time zone, time. Another thing with variable making and programming, you should try to make it make sense. So the programmer knows, oh, this variable, oh yeah, I know what it's for because the name is tailored to what it's for. So let's say I have a time zone variable, we'll name it time zone. But we have two time zone variables, so we need to make them unique. I mean, we could do the basic time zone 0 and time zone 1, but we'll make it more descriptive. So time zone, we'll do starting time zone, fuck it. So starting underscore time zone equals central. We'll make it a string. Yeah, it'll be a string. Make it easier for people, right? 5, and then time underscore zone underscore 2 starting time zone central time and time zone underscore conversion equals, we want to convert it to turkey time. Okay, well, how do you do that then? That's pretty fucking easy. Shit. I mean, according to this chart, it is +8. Literally, my god, just take the fucking central +8. It's prompted of the user. Easy. Do for the other one minus. Literally, it's what you said, you might have. Like, it's very easy program. Shit. Okay, so I'll tell you what, because I gotta go into like 12 minutes. I'm gonna finish up writing the algorithm, and then the next time I come back for a programming stream, we'll program it in Python and get it working. I copy and paste the idea from. No, ChatGPT is cheating. I ain't looking at that then. I ain't gonna read it anymore in depthly. Because I don't use no ChatGPT to solve things. I just use ChatGPT to learn. Like, it's like I have a problem, but I can't solve it because I lack this amount of knowledge, and so I get the knowledge. But I don't ask ChatGPT to solve my issues for me. Like, you're talking about lower intellect, that'll lower your intellect because it's not getting you to think, man. You're just mindlessly reading what the robot tells you. So try to think for yourself. That's my thing. You know, I don't. That's me personally though. That's how I feel. Because I like to use I like to keep my mind sharp. Because your brain is a muscle, bro. Your brain's literally a freaking muscle. Like, the more you use it, the stronger it gets. But the less you use it, the weaker it gets, you know? I will delete it then. You don't need to delete it. Like, I have the ability to just not look at things that I don't want to look at. It's kind of like, that's how I avoid spoilers on YouTube. Like, I see a JJK thing, I like see the thumbnail and then instantly nope. Like, my reaction time is so fucking good. Like the millisecond, not even the picosecond that I see it, I'm like, no. I already know what it's about. Like, my subconscious is on point with the analysis, bro. But yeah, no. Do not ask ChatGPT direct. At least for me, what I recommend if you want to learn more efficiently is just use ChatGPT to, teach you. Like, use it like a teacher. Be like, hey teacher, I have this question, and then they answer it. Just use it like that, bro. But don't be like, hey, how do you do this? And it just gives you the solution. You copy paste the solution, In my opinion, that'll rob you of valuable learning, opportunities. But hey, man, we all have free will, right? So you do what you think is best for your own learning, I like to give advice, but a lot of the advice is just from, like, my experiences. And so it might work for you, it might not. You never fucking know. At least it gives you a start point, right? Whatever. Let's finish this real quick. So time zone, okay, then the robot just fucking... Okay, so it needs to understand. So... Oh, yeah. So it just assigned the value points, I guess. So we have -8. And this is +2. So how do you get -8 +2? Well, that's like what? Fucking... Wait, no, it's -6. I was right. That makes no sense. It's +8. Because negative plus +8 is +2, right? So that's all you do. It's math. It's just math. And then we'll have a third thing, is the final. So the final underscore time zone. That's the product, which would equal. So you take starting time. You know what, fucker? We'll abbreviate this shit. That'd be too long. Starting time underscore zone. Perfect. Let's do that. That looks so much more programmer, and it makes sense. Yeah, another thing too in programming, you don't want like really long lines. Like the goal of it is to make short lines. So yeah, we'll make this, but it still makes logical sense. Boom. There you go. I agree, but it was just idea. programming error at the end. Yeah, of course. No, for real, man. I yeah, I take ideas. Don't worry. I like them. But I also too like just figuring shit out for myself. I'm kind of like, no, don't do shit for me. I'm capable. I can do it for me. Yeah, it's a weird thing I have. So yeah, so you want to get that. So he has to understand where. So like, what if it's not turkey time though? Like, what if it's like I want to do time before it? Like, what if this is like -1? So we need to know how to change the operation. Alright, so so to us it's central time, but for the computer it would be -6. So the way we'll store it in, well, we have to assign. We could do a thing. It's something that actually it's a new thing that I don't know in Python. What's it called? Shit, it's like something where you have a key. Jeez, I'm blanking. I'm sorry, but whatever. We're not focusing on Python right now. This is just regular English programming with some, I guess, Python-looking stuff. Whatever. So yeah. So to us, so for the user, they'll input it in as central, like a string, but then we'll convert the string into an integer to make it easier. Or we could just say like, no person, you just gotta input it. Like to make it easier on the programmer side, like we could just make it so they have to input the number. Like we'll tell them, oh, central time is -6. So if you want -6, the user will input -6. So that way we don't have to convert central time into -6. Like it'll make it easier for programming. So I'll do that to start, but then we can update it and make it more complex. So here, we'll just give, yeah, so we're listing all these time zones. So this is just +0, I guess. Yeah, so -1 is due, okay. So let's go, so -6 is central time. 3, 4, 5, 6, central. What is the UTC? Universal time, whatever. UTC. And then turkey time is +2. So we do 1. Oh my gosh. And 2. So this is a 2. And this will be turkey time. Cool. And then we'll have 12 others. Like there's more, but I don't want to make this too long. You get the idea. So then we'll have them input in as so. Well, hey, don't mess with the blinds, please. Hey, please don't mess with those blinds. Oh my god. Do you need to get off the bed?
No.
Stop messing with those blinds. How many times do I have to tell you? Like those things fall off, man. Like the apartment is very cheap when it comes to our blinds. So please stop messing with them. Your mom does not like being exposed. Cause yeah, we're on ground level, so people can literally just look in our window when blinds fall off. It's feels like you have no privacy in your own house. I wish I would have chose the upper. I had a decision to either choose the lower or the upper. I didn't choose the upper just because I didn't want to walk upstairs when moving my shit in. I was lazy. Now I'm paying for my laziness. Whatever. Well, I'll stream open, but I go to sleep soon. I need to wake up for job. Oh yeah, that is true. Yeah. What? Yeah, you live what? You live in the what? +2 time zone. So you're 8 hours ahead of me, like Turkey. Like you're kind of like Turkey time in that way. It's kind of late for you. But anyway, thank you for joining, my man. It's great having you here. Yeah, I'll go. Actually, I got to go in a little bit too. Shit. So yeah, it's perfect timing actually. Jeez, what are we like linked? Are like energies linked? Or is it a coincidence? But nah, there's no such thing as coincidence in my opinion. There's always a reason for everything. But here, I'll finish this up for real quick. Then I gotta go and get my daughter dinner because it's late and she needs to go to bed early because she didn't get no nap. It's bad. She's overtired. Okay. So we'll start this off. So prompt user for time zone they want to convert. Okay. So what's the question we're gonna? So we need to write the question we're gonna code into this. So this is the question that the user will see when they run the program. input. Oh fuck. Input the time zone you want to convert. Boom, and then they'll convert. So then it'll put central. So then I got to give up the options. We'll do it in a separate window. I guess the options should be like, you know, minus 12. And then, you know, minus 12 is like the name. So minus 6 is Central Time, Central American Time. And plus 2 is Turkey Time. So the user won't input central. We'll just have them input the variable to make it easy to program. But in future iterations, we can make it more complex. But just to have something working, we'll keep it simple. There's always a reason, yeah. And I told myself on Star Stream I'll go in 3 a.m. It's not the first time we connect and have it on mind. Yeah, for real, dude. I'd be like that too. Oh, I'll go at this time, but then it's like an hour after that time. It's like, ugh, it's okay. Things are interesting, right? But I need to get on that lucid dream grind. Like, that's how I should make sleep more interesting for me, is like when I lucid dream. But I'm starting to remember my dreams more, and they're becoming more vivid. I just need to like learn how to control them. Like, just become aware you're in a dream. I dream really often. So I think that's how my supplemental is working for me, because I use my lucid dream supplemental. So it's increasing in my dream recall, but it's not giving me extra awareness. But I haven't been using it for a while. I've only been using it for a week, so gotta wait for the results to manifest. But it's starting to work. Anyway, there's still diff, 1 hour diff between... Oh, you're right. You're in Serbia. You're in Serbia. Okay, cool. There is 2:59 right now. Oh, okay. So Serbia... Oh, right. So it'll be this. Serbia is +1. I don't know what the name of the time zone is. Yeah, what's the name of the time zone in Serbia? Is it just Serbian time or something like that? Kind of like how Turkey's Turkey time? Or is Serbia time? Stop playing with the blind. Hey. Give me that. Ready to turn the TV off?
No!
Okay.
I want something different.
Well, we're going to turn it off in a bit, so how about you finish that show, and then we'll turn it off, and then we'll get dinner, okay?
I want a different one.
Baby. We're going to be turning it off in like 10 minutes. Do you want to watch a different one for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that then. But 10 more minutes, okay? I'll put a timer on my watch. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that one.
Which one? The bluey?
Yeah, that one.
The Play-Doh? Okay. Okay, girl. 10 more minutes, then we gotta go and get you dinner, okay? Gotta eat. You're a growing baby. You need your food. Yeah. Gotta grow big and strong.
I like this one.
What?
I like this one.
You don't like this one. You want the crayons?
No, that one.
The Blippy?
Yeah.
Blippy?
Lippy is okay.
Okay. Okay. Prompt user. So yeah, input the time zone you want to convert, and then we just tell them like, okay, so if you want -6, that's Central Time. So for here. So yeah, they're like, oh, okay, I want -6. User inputs numerical value. Example, -6 Central Time. Boom. And then, okay. And then it prompts user for the time zone they want to convert to. So put a question. Okay. Convert to. It's like I was repeating myself, but whatever. You gotta hammer this algorithm in. And then it does the same. So I'm Central Time, so we want to convert Turkey time. So here, we'll do this. I'll just leave that there so I know what it is. Example. So user inputs numerical value again. So we'll give an example 2, which is Turkey time. Okay. So then we have 2. So negative 6 and 2. So we need to get negative 6, 2, 2. So we'll do algebra real quick. So this is the variables that it has. So the starting time zone is negative 6. So yeah, it won't be a string. So this is how it look in Python. So these 4, 5, and 6 is Python code. And that'll equal 2. Well, like, we won't have these equal to anything. They'll be like 0, but the user will input these. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, so we have the time zone, but like... Oh yeah, it'll just say, oh yeah, so it'll be plus 8 hours. So that's how it'll end. So then, number 4, or whatever. Computer does math. Tells user the result. And this will be example. Central time is 8 hours behind turkey time. Or maybe turkey time's 8 hours ahead. Turkey time is, why am I on insert? Weird. Turkey time is 8 hours ahead of central time. Boom, that's the input. So how does it figure that out? Plus 8, so we want to get here, so we want to get 2 is equal to negative 6 plus x. Okay, so minus x, or we'll get x away, so plus 6, so 8. So x equals 8. So yeah, just add 6 to it. That'll be the result. So in terms of this, so actually FTC, so the final time zone is actually 2, and then we'll just do the result. Call this variable result. So if it's a, okay. Plus 6. So you take central time zone. Can't you just flip all the negatives, make them positives, make it easy, and just add them together? Boom. Would that work for everything? So positive 7, 8, so it's 9 hours. Yep. Negative 11 to 2, so it's a 12-hour difference. Because the formula would be just flip it to positive and then add it together. For at least if you have a negative time zone. I mean, for positive, you just keep it positive then. Right? Or, so, yeah. Sorry, I'm just a little tired, so my brain's acting a little stupid. Negative 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So that's it. So result. Okay, so, oh fuck, almost knocked my mic over. So, just add them together, but you have to make the negative positive, so we'll write that later. Boom. Uh-oh. Or, uh-oh. Hello. Sorry, about to get our dinner. I just wanted to do some programming real quick. So, if string Okay. That looks good. Alright, gotta go, man. Alright, good night, dude. Oh, Central European summertime. Okay. Interesting. Oh, well, thanks to anyone who joined. Or I'll see you later. Yeah, I gotta get my daughter ready for dinner now. So it was a quick little thing. So yeah, the algorithm's basically done. Like I already know what I want to do. So I guess next time we'll just program it. We'll just program it all. All right. Well,